Hi, so today we change is cabin filter. This is Suburban 2019. First just open it plus compartment. Then this small thing push back and pull out. Let me using two hand. Then both sides just push it in and take out this side. Then is 6 nut 1 2 3 on side 4 5 6. Okay, I take it out 6 nut. Then this cover just pull it out. Then you can see right there air filter. This is cover, so you have to take it out from those top clip right there. One and right there is 2. And here is the filter. Maybe 230. Oh my god. Okay, here is the old one, here is the new one. See the difference. And more important, you have to see is when you take it out, airflow is error. So old one error is down. So we have to put it like that, is down. Okay, already installed. Now this is cover going back, this up and this is down. Okay, this thing is done. Just put it now. This is cover back and 6 is screw back. Okay, this is done. Now we have to push it. This is right there. Okay, we put it in and all set. Thank you.